In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Canva watermark for free. To begin, click on the watermarked element or image inside your Canva workspace. This is a crucial first step because the watermark indicates that the item you are using is a paid element. By clicking on it, you can easily select the item for removal. Once selected, you'll see a box around it indicating it's active and ready for action. This visual cue helps ensure you are focused on the right element. It's important to pay attention to the design you're working with, as it allows you to make informed decisions about replacing elements later. After you have selected the watermarked item, the next action is to delete it by pressing backspace. This step is straightforward but significant. By pressing backspace, you will remove the unwanted watermark from your design. You will notice the element disappearing from your canvas, which clears up space for a free alternative. This action not only enhances the visual appeal of your project, but also prevents any potential copyright issues down the line. Remember, removing the watermark is essential for maintaining a polished look in your design. Now that the watermarked element is gone, it's time to find a suitable replacement. Go to the Elements or Graphics tab on the left side of your Canva workspace. This is where the magic happens, as you have access to a vast library of graphics and design elements. You might see a variety of categories available, including shapes, illustrations, and photos. This wide selection allows you to find something that not only fits your design but also complements it perfectly. Exploring this tab is essential because it opens up possibilities for creativity and enhances your overall design. Next, you will want to filter or search for free alternatives to replace the deleted item. To do this, you can use the search bar at the top of the Elements tab. This makes it easier to find exactly what you need without scrolling through every option. Typing in relevant keywords related to your design will yield results that meet your needs. Additionally, look for a filter option that allows you to select only free elements. This step ensures that you don't accidentally select another paid item, which would result in another watermark appearing in your design. It's a simple action that saves you time and keeps your project cost-effective. Once you've found a free alternative you like, click on it to add it to your canvas. This action is rewarding as it fills the space left by the previous watermark with something fresh and appealing. You can adjust the size and position of the new element to fit your design perfectly. This flexibility is one of the advantages of using Canva, as it allows for a tailored approach to your projects. Ensuring that your replacements align well with your overall design will enhance its aesthetic and effectiveness. At this point, you have successfully removed the watermark and replaced it with a free alternative. This not only improves the look of your design but also maintains its integrity. You can take a moment to review your work and make any necessary adjustments. This final review is important because it allows you to ensure everything is aligned and visually cohesive. In summary, removing a watermark in Canva involves selecting the watermarked element, deleting it, and replacing it with a free alternative from the Elements tab. By following these steps, you can create stunning designs without any cost. This method is effective and crucial for anyone looking to enhance their Canva projects. Thank you for following along in this video, and I hope you enjoy creating watermark-free designs.